What's going on, guys? It's your boy Jay Shane, the Keto Road. Y'all know how it is. So as you saw in the title of this video, I kind of wanted to take some time today to talk about why I haven't been on YouTube much. Because people have asked me, and people that are on YouTube have asked me, and I think there's a couple reasons, and I kind of want to dive into them and talk about them and just my thoughts on YouTube. I don't know if this video is going to do anything, but that's YouTube, right? At least for me. So, first things first, like, don't think that I undervalue people that watch me on YouTube, but I know that 99% of the people that watch me on YouTube follow me on every other platform. And obviously there's a lot more interaction and engagement on those platforms, which I'll get to in a second. It was actually interesting. What made me want to make this video was I was looking back at my old YouTube videos from like 2017. And like I remember like I started all of this. Everything you see, all the YouTube videos, all the Instagram, the TikTok, the coaching, the programs, all of that. All of that started in a work truck with an old iPhone like 5. And I've just been, that's where it started, just like in my work uniform, making YouTube videos and uploading them and not knowing what I was doing. I didn't even have a laptop. I didn't even have a computer. Everything was like phone. And so, it just made me want to make this video because I thought about YouTube. And I put a lot of time on YouTube. And I know people, there are people that have gone 5-6 years without blowing up on YouTube. And finally they pop. And it's not about the numbers for me, but then again, with YouTube, it kind of is because I want to share and impact as many people as I possibly can. And right now, I've tried everything on YouTube. I cannot tell you how many titles of show episodes or videos I've made that the keyword search said 100% optimized. Like, it's a perfect title. Still nothing. No traction, no pool, no more than 200 views, maybe, if that. Just nothing. I put transitions, I've done vlogs, I've done, super health conscious videos, I've done reaction videos, like all kinds of stuff. And just nothing gives. And not that bothers me. Like, it bothers me to a point because YouTube should be easier to grow on, especially when you're putting out quality content. And I've had people say, like, why don't you have more people? And I don't know. YouTube's just slow as hell right now. I don't know why that is, but it is. But then if we go to the flip side, we look at TikTok, Instagram, this new app called Clubhouse that I've been on. I'm able to impact a lot of people. My reach is far. It's vast. And I'm able to pour into these people. And because of that, because I'm able to grow my community on these apps and platforms other than YouTube, and unlike YouTube in any way, my impact on TikTok is exponentially greater than it is on YouTube. Those platforms have just been getting more of my time. And again, it's not because I undervalue YouTube. I'm not going to sit here and try to sugarcoat it. There's no justification. Like, I haven't been very interested in YouTube lately because it's not helping me reach people, and that bothers me. No matter how hard I try, YouTube won't let me catch a break. I have never had a video over 300 views, which again, it's not about the numbers in terms of like my confidence or my abilities or my content or my value that I bring. It's more of just a reflection of how sucky the YouTube stuff is right now. And so that's why. And it has nothing to do with you. And I'm coming back. Don't worry. The vlogs are going to come back. Mainly, I want to get to this, mainly because I care about the people watching this right now. And I know that y'all enjoy my YouTube videos. Y'all enjoy my vlogs, my reactions. Haven't done vlogs in a while. Baby Haley's about to be born. I'm going to want to capture all of that and what we do. And my marathon, I'm about to run my first marathon in 3 weeks. I'm going to want to capture that. I think my first vlog actually is going to be the 20-miler I'm running on Sunday this week. So, lots of cool things happening and coming. I'm not done with YouTube yet. Your boy, Jay Shane, the Keto Road. We're coming back. But I just wanted to take a moment to talk to you guys about where I've been, why I've been so MIA on YouTube. It's not you. Definitely a me thing. It's definitely just not my priority right now, just due to the brand and the person that I'm trying to become. And the impact that I'm trying to make. YouTube is not helping me pave that way. And it's not you guys. Of course, I'll be honest, one way that you can help is if you like these videos, like them. Share them on your Facebook. encourage other people to watch them. Sharing and liking and commenting goes such a far way. And, I'm not big to ask for support. My hope is that you find so much value in me that you just want to support me. But I've learned that some people just don't know that that support can help, and they want to, they just don't know how. So I'm going to start saying it. Like, if you could like, subscribe, share, that helps so much. And I really want to build this community up. I want people to know the way in which you can eat a holistic ketogenic lifestyle and overcome body image and eating disorders and all the things that we wrestle with. So, yeah, that's where we're at. I'll be back. But I just wanted to get on here and talk to you guys because y'all deserve a response. And I love y'all, and I hope that y'all have a great day. Peace out. Never settle.